So these are my favorite or easiest progressions that I find for people who are first learning the single leg RDL exercise. Simply stand in front of an object and reach with both hands as you try to teeter-totter your back leg up towards the ceiling and your torso down parallel with the ground. The goal is to get your thigh and torso parallel with the ground as you touch the object, keeping a soft knee. Now the mistake you'll see is people jutting their knee back straight and hyperextending their knee and locking it out as videoed right here. We want to keep a stable knee as you teeter-totter or rotate around the leg. That knee stays soft and the knee stays still as your body becomes horizontal with the ground. Now the second mistake that I'll see a lot of people do is they don't keep their hips level or both hips pointing down towards the floor. So the second progression to this is reaching with the opposite hand as you put a weight in the same side that you are balancing on. This helps keep your belly button pointed down towards the ground or the opposite hip pointed down towards the ground while working on balance. Again, keep that knee still, avoid hyperextending or locking that knee out, and then eventually you can move away from touching any object and put an implement or weight into both hands and progressively load the exercise as you feel safe and comfortable.